Who's here at the door? Who is it?
Young 7 make a splurge.
Hey exclusive baddies, welcome back to my channel. I'm BP Exclusive. If you are not subscribed or this is your first video watching, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Why not? I do easy DIYs every Wednesdays, and I have took like a little mini break, which I probably shouldn't have, because once I took that little break, I I wasn't in my habit of like trying to have my videos like up and recorded and edited by Wednesday. So like I got sick, and then you know when you're sick and like miserable and just sick, you don't want to do nothing. So that's basically what was going on. And then after I was sick for like a week and a half, I just like didn't feel like recording, and then other stuff happened, and it's just like, yeah, so it's hard being a YouTuber and working full-time. It's super hard. But yeah, anyways, let's talk about what this video is about. Today's video, we're going to be doing a thrift flip. I went to a a thrift store by my house. I think it's called Be Thrift, or anyways, just a thrift store. And I went to get t-shirts because I wanted to upcycle them, to change them, to make them a little more cuter, like, you know, like just to make them a little different. So I bought like a whole bunch of shirts. They were like $1, $2, 75 cents. They were super cheap. So I bought a whole bunch of t-shirts. Anyways, so I got a whole bunch of shirts, and I'm gonna show you 3 DIYs. No. Basically it's from easy to easiest. These 3 DIYs. But I kind of just found I had stuff around the house. And these videos, I did not know what I was going to do as I was recording. Like one of them I did kind of know, like, oh, I wanted this to be a tube dress. But like the other ones I kind of just was going along like, hey, I don't know what to do. Like, what should I do with this? As I was recording. So also in the video you're going to see that I am a little far. But all like basic, like what the basic is I'm just cutting, like, but I'm far because I broke my stand to my camera, so I couldn't angle my camera onto the shirt high, like, you know, so you can get a better visual how it looks. In the video I'm kind of just cutting and doing like the extra stuff off camera, which, because it was so hard to like, I was just kind of struggling, so that's a part of the reason I need to hurry and get me a stand, because I'm struggling with that one. Got my camera right now sitting on top of my in my window with my son's car holding up the the lens. So it's just always like straight. So like my whole little setup is weird right now. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So I end up changing the outfit. It still has the little straps at the top. I used the glue over there. But now I decided I want to make it a dress. So I'm just going to safety pin the top and the bottom so it has a style. and hopefully this turns out cute. When I do DIYs, I actually do it for the first time on video. So let's hope that this looks really freaking dope, because yeah. And I might like have to glue them closed just so like nothing doesn't like poke or break or you know, pop open, so it's wearable. But yeah, this rendering so far, it's kind of taking a minute to not sew, to safety pin, and I gotta find the ones that are all the same size. And right now I'm just doing the front, and then I'll do the back. Okay, so this next outfit is another shirt, obviously, and this one I did like, not staples, safety pins made to like off the shoulder tank thing. This is, and then I did these.
Mommy, you did this.
Okay. And then I did the safety pins to attach it to the bottom to make it a full skirt. And I paired it with these shades, got for $5. And this is the outfit. I will show you guys in the mirror how it looks. What, baby?
I'm just talking to Nazir while he draw on the wall.
So this is it. I'll go closer so you guys can see. So I just really just safety pinned it all around and made it a dress. And I wish, I think I want to make it fitted. I think it would be cuter if it was fitted. But yeah, this is it for now. And it's super cute. Babe, you gotta be a little bit quiet, just a little bit. And it's talking over me, and I really want to record this so I can hurry and put it up for you guys. And that is it for this outfit. On to number 3, the last one. Got this. So I'm gonna cut. On this, I want to put them right here with a drawstring, so they'll draw up on the sides. Last shirt, you can't tell it's reflective because it needs to be like on a light, but I'll insert a picture of show you how it's reflective. So this was a regular just a Bulldog t-shirt. That's the mascot where I live. I wear like the high school mascot. So found this shirt for $1 at the thrift store. I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright, so this is a shirt. Maybe I'll get my cell phone so you guys can see how it's reflective. But it is. And I just cut the shirt into a crop and then attach these on with some hot glue.
a way overdue video. I did these outfits like 2 weeks ago and I never feel how they look on me. So I'm gonna do that now. So this is the Red Sox t-shirt jersey that I made into a tube dress, and I put reflective at the bottom of the dress.
Okay, Mommy.
And I'm gonna show it. Full body. So maybe you guys scoot over a little bit. So this is reflective. Red Sox, and I think this is Bishop jersey. I don't know who that is. Just got this from the thrift store. It was like $2.
Mommy, look this says right here.
It says Red Sox.
Red Sox.
So I paired it with some red shades that I got for $5 at Route 21. Red lipstick.
Where's my shade at?
Yeah, but this is reflective, so I'm gonna insert how it looks reflective as well. Yeah, this is the outfit. Cute.